Hey, this is page 46, lesson 3.1. Identify the terms and like terms in the expression. Well, the expression is 3x plus 4 minus 7x minus 6. The x terms are like terms. I have a 3x here, and I have a negative 7x here. Negative 7x. Negative 7x, because remember, it takes that sign right in front of it. There is no sign here, so it's understood to be positive. Those are like terms. They're also terms. These are our constants, also terms. So we have a positive 4, we can just write 4, and a negative 6. So all of our terms are these 4, and here are the like terms. The x terms are like terms. The constants are like terms. Number 2. Negative 9 plus 2.5y minus 0.7y plus 1 plus 6.4y squared. Now, we're not supposed to solve any of this or combine like terms. We're supposed to list all the terms and the like terms. So this is a y squared term. It's not a y term. It's y squared. And there is no other y squared term. So I have a 6.4y squared. That's all by itself. I have a negative 0.7y. And with that, I have a positive 2.5y. And then I have my constants. I have a negative 9 and a 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms listed down here. Up here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Okay, I must have got them all. Number 3, simplify the expression. Here's where we actually combine the like terms. So 5a minus 2a plus 9. Combining my a terms, 5a and negative 2a, I get 3a plus 9. Number 4, m minus 1/6 minus 4m plus 5/6. I'll take care of my m terms first. I have a m, that means 1m, so 1m minus 4m will give me a negative 3m. Negative 1/6, positive 5/6, so different sign, subtract. So I would subtract and get 4/6. Keep the sign of the larger, which would be the positive. So negative 3m plus 4/6. I'm not going to simplify that because they were talking about 6 here, but if you wanted to, it would be negative 3m plus 2/3. Number 5, 2.3w minus 7 plus 8.1 minus 3w. Well, 2.3w and negative 3w, different sign, subtract. So I'll get 0.7. Keep the sign of the larger, so it's negative 0.7w. Then I've got a negative 7 and a positive 8.1, different sign, subtract again. This time the positive is bigger. 1.1. Number 6. 7d minus 1 plus 2. I have to take care of the distributive property here to get 7d minus 7, and I still have this plus 2. Nothing can I combine with this 7d, but negative 7 and positive 2 gives me a negative 5. Number 7. 13g plus 2 times 4k minus g. Distributive property again. So 13g, 2 times 4k will give me positive 8k. 2 times negative g gives me negative 2g. I can combine my g terms. Positive 13g and a negative 2g give me 11g plus 8k. I had nothing to combine with my 8k. Number 8. 20 times p plus 2 plus 16 times negative 3 minus p. Well, I'll distribute the 20 and get 20p plus 40. Now, 16 and a negative 3. When I multiply 16 and negative 3, one positive, one negative will give me a negative 48. Negative 48 Positive times a negative again, positive 16 times negative p gives me negative 16p. So I'll do my variable terms first, 20p, negative 16p for 4p. Constants, I have 40 and negative 48 for a negative 8. Different sign, subtract, keep the sign of the larger, negative 8. Finally, number 9, write an expression in simplest form that represents the cost for shampooing and cutting W, women's hair, and M, men's hair. So if women came in and W came in, I don't know how many that is. It could be 3, it could be 10, it could be 0. But it's $15 per cut, so 15 times W for the haircuts plus 15 times 5 times W for the shampoos. That's for the women. And then we have to add to that, for the men, 7 times M, however many came in, and 2 times M for however many came in. If I simplify these, I get 20W plus, that was supposed to be a 2, plus 9M. 20W plus 9M. All right, hope that helps. If you have any questions, come to tutoring, leave a comment, ask in class, whatever you have to do. Email me, anything. Just get your questions answered. Have a good night.